Hello everyone, and today we're going to solve this equation together, and in this equation we want to find x. So here we can write 4 as 2 to the power 2, and we have in the denominator 2 squared to the power x. Okay. And here, because we have 2 squared to the power x, we can write it as multiplication of the powers here, because there is no difference if we write 2 to the power x to the power 2 or 2 squared to the power x. So we can write it as 2 to the power 2x. And here, since the base in this fraction is similar in both numerator and denominator, we can subtract the power, and it's going to be x squared minus 2x, and we can write 16 as 2 to the power 4 here. Since the base is equal in both sides, I mean the left side and the right side, for making this equation true, the power of both sides need to be equal to each other. So x squared minus 2x equals 4. For making this equation to be true, we need to make the power to be equal. Here again, so this is, we have quadratic symbol, quadratic equation. So x squared minus 2x minus 4 needs to be 0. Since here we have x squared and minus 2x, we can make x minus 1 squared in this equation. And for that, we don't have plus 1 here, because x minus 1 squared is going to be x squared minus 2x plus 1. So we need to subtract 1 here to make it equal as here. So if we simplify this equation, we will reach the last line. Now we have x minus 1 squared minus some number. If you can remember the formula, that was a squared minus b squared equals to a minus b times a plus b. Here, x minus 1 is our a, and square root of 5 is our b. So we can write it as a minus b times a plus b. So our a is x minus 1, and our b is a square root of 5. So this needs equals to be 0. So we have multiplication here. This is what all the time we want. Now we know how to solve it. So for making this equation equal to 0, so we have 2 roots. X equals to 1 plus the square root of 5, and x equals to 1 minus the square root of 5. And now we solved the equation, and we found 2 roots for this equation. Thank you for watching us. I hope you find this video helpful for yourself, and I hope you enjoy it.